A suspicious activity message on KashKick usually means the platform's security system has temporarily restricted your account because it detected activity that looks unusual, not necessarily because you've done something wrong. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons this happens, and the safest way to get your account working again. The first thing to do is stop making repeated attempts to complete offers, withdraw money, or log in from different devices. Repeated actions in a short period can trigger additional security checks instead of removing the restriction. Next, make sure you're using only one KashKick account. Creating multiple accounts or switching between accounts on the same device can cause the system to flag your activity. Check that you're accessing KashKick from your normal internet connection. Frequently changing between Wi-Fi networks, mobile data, VPNs, or proxy services can make your login activity appear inconsistent. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it before signing in again. If you've recently signed in on another phone, tablet, or computer, return to the device you normally use whenever possible. Logging in from multiple devices within a short period may trigger an automated review. Review your recent activity as well. If you completed a large number of offers unusually quickly, repeatedly retried failed tasks, or experienced technical issues while offers were processing, the system may have paused your account until it can verify the activity. Do not create a new account to bypass the warning. That can make resolving the issue more difficult because duplicate accounts may violate the platform's account rules. If the message remains after you've confirmed everything is legitimate, contact KashKick support through the official help channels. Include your account email address, a screenshot of the suspicious activity message, the device you're using, and a clear description of what happened before the warning appeared. Providing complete information helps the support team review your account more efficiently. While waiting for a response, avoid repeatedly logging in or uninstalling and reinstalling the app, unless support specifically recommends it. Constant retries usually don't speed up the review process. To recap, use only one account. Avoid VPNs and frequent device changes. Sign in from your usual device and network. Stop repeated login attempts and contact KashKick support if the restriction doesn't clear. If this guide helped you understand the suspicious activity warning, leave a like, subscribe for more KashKick troubleshooting videos, and check out our other app fix guides.